Jonesboro right now asks banks how people are being scammed, and it turns out scammers are using AI, fake video calls, and voice cloning to trick victims out of their money. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to tech hub. Banks are saying crooks are getting smarter by the day. They're now setting up Zoom calls that look totally legit just to watch you log into your bank account and steal your credentials in real time. And it's not just flashy text scams. Phishing texts and emails are still flooding inboxes, pretending to be from your bank, law enforcement, or trusted companies. The messages often scream urgency, claiming your account is locked or under threat, pushing you to act fast without thinking. Jennifer Wyatt, Information Security Risk Officer at First Community Bank, says the golden rule is simple. Stay skeptical of every message. Never share your account numbers, passwords, or OTPs. If something feels off, hang up and call your bank directly using a trusted number. Banks recommend extra protection like two-factor authentication, strong unique passwords, and call screening. Avoid public Wi-Fi for financial transactions, set up account alerts, and review statements regularly. Also, think twice about what you post on social media. Scammers are always watching. And don't think only your grandma can be scammed by these methods. While older adults are often hit because they may have more savings, younger people are increasingly falling victim too. If you suspect fraud, act fast. Contact your bank immediately, change your passwords, and report the incident to the Federal Trade Commission. In today's digital world, one click can cost you, but staying alert could save you as well. For more tech updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.